Hello everyone, today I'm going to be demonstrating how I create these collage wallpapers. First, I'm going to be opening my preferred web browser, which is Safari, to find the pictures I like. I get my images from unsplash.com, but Pinterest is also fine as long as you're careful about the copyright. And next, I search up a few keywords and pick out a few images that I like and feel they go together. Today I'm doing a travel/topical island theme collage, which is requested by a friend. Once I feel like I have enough pictures, I open up Canva. I like to have my dimensions set at 2560 by 1600 pixels for my laptop. Then I go to the folder that I previously created with all the pictures and upload them directly to Canva. After that, it's my favorite part about creating the collages, which is playing around with the image placement and layout until I'm satisfied with how it looks. Sometimes I duplicate the collage to make a few different versions to see which way I like it better. Here you could see me going back and forth as I decide. This is the one I ended up liking better, and thank you guys for watching.